To add a cloud license, you will first open up Synapse. Then you will go to Tools, Configure Server, and click on Manage Licenses. Once you've logged into IAdeaCare, you can go ahead and select on your player. Once you select your player, go ahead and click on Add License. This will bring you to the player page. Select your player and click on Add License. Type in your Cloud Update License. Select Next and Apply. This will go ahead and connect your cloud license to your player. Once it is complete and you go back to your player page, it'll refresh and show that under Miscellaneous that you are now connected with a cloud license. For more information, visit us at www.IAdea.com.